Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable use small taskbar button on taskbar settings. Firstly you need to type settings, now open settings, now search taskbar, now you see this option taskbar settings, click on it. Now you see this use small taskbar button, enable it. So this button is small, you see this. So this way we can how to enable use small taskbar button on taskbar settings. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.